My top tip is, para hindi ka malungkot, hindi ka ma-depress, gawin mo na lang talaga yung gusto mo. Kahit meron kang trabaho, maghanap ka ng time para magawa mo yun. Better yet, quit your job if you can and find another job that is in line with your success, with your current talents, with your vision of success na gagawin mo yung art mo or artist ka dito. Kahit maliit na job lang, kahit curator, minsan 100 pesos lang sweldo mo per day. If anything, do that para lang meron kang matutunan na may dadagdag sa wisdom or knowledge mo about art, and then you can continue your art career. Diba? So, instead of magpupunta ka sa call center agent, hindi mo naman siya magagamit sa art career mo, madidepress ka talaga din. So, it's these little simple things na hindi naiisip ng maraming artists or mga tao na nadidepress. Kaya sila naglalasing, kaya sila kung ano-ano ginagawa nila sa sarili nila, naninira rin sila ibang buhay, binawaldas nila yung pera nila, naninira sila pamilya kasi they're not doing what they're supposed to do. And it's really scary at first to do what needs to be done with your talent, with your gift. Like this podcast, sobrang takot ako gawin to. Not because I don't have anything to say, pero kasi hindi ko pa na-try ito eh. Pero ang reasoning ko kasi is anything na kinakabahan kang gawin, basta towards something good. Anything na takot kang gawin mo. Kasi yun yung kailangan mong gawin. So I really believe that if your heart is not uneasy, don't do it kasi ibig sabihin it doesn't really matter to you. Parang wala lang yan. Pero pagka kinakabahan ka, takot ka dun, minsan yun yung tamang daan. Kailangan mo talagang gawin yun. And I was scared earlier na gawin to, pero parang okay naman. I mean, for me, okay naman yung so far yung podcast na to. So, yeah, going back to our point is, yun nga, just instead of doing drugs, just do what you want kasi the ultimate high is making art. And that's for me. If you're an artist, if you're a writer, a poet, a singer, a dancer, just do what you love doing. Huwag niyong ibaon, huwag niyong itago. Yun yung gawin niyo para hindi kayo ma-addict sa ibang bagay. Kasi sa totoo lang, lahat tayo art addict. Still, none were precise. He was puzzled by his capability.